Hey, 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 y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. What's up? My name is Mimi is Mighty Incredible. For those of you who are new, show me, yes, little on me some love. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Hey, like, comment, share, and subscribe for my oldies but goodies. Y'all know I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. So today I'm going to show you guys my new DIY Pre Poo concoction. But first, let's look at this here, y'all. This here, I haven't washed it in like 9 days. This is a 9-day-old wash and go, and it's dry. I have to give it back some life, moisture, and all that goodness, but it still got some movement. So stiff wear, huh? Stiff wear, but Mimi, it's dry. Oh yeah. So let's go over what is in this DIY Pre Poo. So I have notes down below. So when I'm looking down below, I'm reading off what each oil is that I have in this DIY Pre Poo concoction. So the first oil is the Safflower Seed Oil. This oil encourages growth of longer, stronger, and thicker hair. And the next oil is Grapeseed Oil. This oil aids to lock in moisture and prevent split ends, frizz, and brittle hair. The next oil is Sesame Seed Oil. This oil right here stimulates hair growth by conditioning and nourishing the scalp. Next oil is Almond Oil. And this oil strengthens hair, prevents breakage, and aids in regrowth of hair follicles. And the final oil is Peanut Oil. This oil right here reduces protein loss and adds moisture. Alright, y'all, and all of these oils combined is in this bottle right here. And let me show you guys the consistency of it. Alright, it's nice and light. See, it's not thick at all. Very nice and light. Okay, y'all, and I have been using this oil for about a month, and it has really changed my pre-poo game, and it makes my hair soft, like much softer, easier to detangle. And when I have the oil in my hair, I go like a step further with going underneath my hooded dry for like 10 to 15 minutes, so my oils can deeply penetrate my hair strands. So that's just a little bonus tip I'm giving y'all. All right, so let's get to adding this oil to this hair. First things first, y'all already know I got a moisturizer with my aloe vera. So again, it's been a while since I did my hair, so let me separate it. All right, now Florisha, that's my hair name, Florisha. You better act right, girl. So yeah, y'all, how y'all been? How's y'all day? What y'all doing right now? Well, besides watching this video, what was y'all doing before? Hope everything is okay. Me, I'm okay. Trying to tackle this hair. Well, I'm doing it. Ain't no trying. Let me see. Got my little 4 sections. Okay, I guess we'll start over here. This one is loose. Let me subsection this. We're gonna subsection this right here. All right, let's mist this. So I just lightly mist the hair. Right. Oh yeah, I didn't even tell you where I got my oils from. I got them from my local Whole Foods. Yes, I'm a Whole Foods girl. But you could get these oils online, anywhere. Anywhere you choose. Ooh. Put some oils up on his hair. Okay. So that's that piece right there. Hey y'all, it's GMO time. Let's forward up this part. Look at this hair. Look at this hair. I'm gonna just show you. Look. Boom. Do y'all see that? Moisturize. Boom. Moisturize. Moisturize. Life came back. No longer the Sahara Desert. Yes. Go ahead, Florisha. Dance for it. Hey, dance. Oh, oh. Get it. Oh. Woo. Woo. I don't know what that was, y'all, but that was something. Anyway, Florisha is so happy. Guys and girls, let me know if you will ever try this Pre Poo. Let me know what Pre Poo you currently use. And let me know if you like this video. I think that is about it. As always, love, peace, hugs, and kisses. Boo. Bye.